that will be able to understand and set some shift there as well. Okay, standalone devices, access control on smart PSS. Like, as I've mentioned, the system can do access control, video intercoms, and also CCTV on it. A complete access control system, user management, you'll be able to set them, access control, device management, advanced access control function as well, and you can set your event linkages as well, and CCTV system. Okay, so looking at this one, we do have controllers. How are you gonna know that it's a controller? The code will be ASC then. The ASC, the C will just indicate that it's gonna be a controller. And then we've got the readers. The readers, some call them the slave readers. So it will be readers like this. As you can see, this one can do cut. We've got one that can do cut and pin code, and this is 2-in-1. It can do both cut and also fingerprint. Our enrollment readers as well, we do have one that looks exactly like this, which can do cut and also fingerprint. So instead of getting one enrollment reader that can do cut, you can get both of them. So that in future, if you will be enrolling cards or fingerprint, you can just use one reader. You don't have to buy another one. So this will be our readers. The code will be the ASR. That's how we're gonna understand it. I know some of us understand them as slave readers and so forth, but we call them readers here by dahua. And then you get your controllers. So here it's just showing how you're gonna configure. We do have the ASC3202. We'll go into it as well. A very nice controller that we released this year as well. And then you can just integrate everything with your what we call CCTV. And nice thing about our facial recognitions as well is that you'll be able to integrate it with your indoor station. Indoor station, I mean the VTH for your video intercom. So normally you see that when you get to the office park, they've got a video intercom and then they've got an access control. But with this man only, you can do both. So as you come as an employee, you'll place your face there and then it will open for you. Visitors, there'll be a call button on the device. Once you call on it, the person inside will be able to see you and then you can communicate with them as well. If it happens that you're not around, you can get a mobile app called DMSS Mobile. So once everything is on the network and then you've got Wi-Fi or data on your phone, it will ring to your phone as well. Because what these criminals do as well these days is that they'll come in front of your house, they'll call, and then if you're not around, they'll break in. Because automatically they think there's no one at home. But if you are on holiday or anywhere in the world, once you answer, they just think that you are home and then you'll be able to do that. So it's a nice feature that we have with our facial recognitions as well. Okay, so we come to our access controllers. The first one, we've got the ASC3202B. So this controller, what's special about it? Can I just bring those controllers so that we can just feel and touch them?